Hi guys! If you want to have an esports atmosphere in your room, how can you miss the Skydimo Sync RGB light strip? Next, I will unbox and explain the installation. This light strip has 4 sizes, namely 24, 27, 32, and 34 inches. For my 30-inch fish screen, a 27-inch light strip is enough. First of all, this light strip is not integrated, but segmented, so it will not bend together like other light strips. The light strip is fixed on the light strip by this transparent clip, instead of sticking the glue directly on the light strip. Secondly, it is very convenient to adjust it, and the fixing of the line is achieved by this small black clip. Look, there are a total of 7 transparent clips, 3 on the top and 2 on the left and right. After the clip is fixed, we just align the position and stick it directly, then plug in the USB, and go to their official website to download the driver software. Wow! It's unexpected brightness and color accuracy. The speed is also very fast. In addition, it also has a music mode, and the atmosphere is also very immersive. The light is an extension of the screen, changing with the screen. Also, it only takes up more than 100 megabytes, so there is no need to worry about lagging. There is no delay when playing games. It is also very good for browsing TikTok. Finally, the price of this light strip is also very reasonable. With so many advantages, what are you still hesitating about?